So with that, pag-usapan natin ito muna, pinakauna nating itatanong, no, yun dun sa nangyari nga sa Ayala. So under the Safe Spaces Act, would the actions of the vloggers, no, who harass the female joggers be classified as gender-based sexual harassment? And if ever, kung gender-based man siya na sexual harassment, ano yung mga penalties na pwede nilang harapin, no, pag napatunayan sila na guilty sila?
Yes, sir. Ano yan? To answer that, sir, kailangan balikan natin yung definition ng batas mismo, no? So sabi nung Section 4 of the Safe Spaces Act, the crimes of gender-based street and public spaces sexual harassment are committed through ito yung important, sir, any unwanted and uninvited sexual actions or remarks against any person regardless of the motive for committing such action or remarks. So basically, kung itatranslate ko to in layman's terms, basta bastos or nakakabastos na action